This is Silver Falls State Park in Oregon, a place that reminds me of what it really means to really live, to breathe in fresh air, to feel the earth under your feet, and to feel free. The trail of 10 falls, but I don't think we're going to do all 10. We shall see. Not long ago, I decided to retire young. It wasn't because I hit the lottery or had a fancy job. It was because I made a choice to live simply and invest in what really matters: health, time, and peace of mind. This is South Falls. It's the tallest on the trail at 177 feet. You can actually walk behind it, and when you do, it feels like you're stepping into a different world. That's what early retirement feels like too, like you've slipped behind the curtain of everyday stress and found something quieter and more alive. A little further down is Lower South Falls. It's not quite as tall, but it's just as powerful. Life doesn't have to be huge to be meaningful. Sometimes it's the small wins, packing a lunch, skipping cable, walking more, that create the freedom that we are chasing. When I started living more intentionally, I realised I didn't need a lot to feel rich. Just moments like these, a trail, fresh air, and the sound of water reminding me to slow down. Each of these falls has its own character, just like every season of life, some loud and some rushing, others quiet and reflective, but they all move forward, just like we should. I didn't retire early to escape work. I did it to work on myself, on my health and on my time, and on living every day like it matters, because it does. The trail connects them all, and just like life, the journey is more than the sum of its parts. Here's the truth, you don't have to wait until you're old to live like you're free. You can start now. Simplify, save, take a walk, cut the excess, and remember, hikes like this one cost nothing, but give you everything. This is what retiring young looks like. It's not luxury, it's freedom, it's health, it's life fully lived. Subscribe for more videos on living simply, retiring early, and making every day count. And I'll see you on the next video.